Friday, Friday, Friday. Escanaba and Lake Superior Railroad. 503. What is that sound? Came in last night after dark. I was able to grab a quick video here. Check this out. Sure is making a lot of noise. Love that echo. Well, it must not be very long anyway. Like, at all. Like, wow. What is that sound? What is that horrible sound? Yeah, 2 altar metal cars they grabbed last night. Or was it 3? I don't know. There's 3 in the back of this train. Yeah, that was a lot of waiting last night for not a lot of anything, but pretty cool video, hey? Anyway, I'm not going to follow this one south. It's not very long. I am planning on going up to Lake Superior tonight. Do another round of rock hunting. Highs in the 40s today. I think it's going to be my last time out, so wish me luck. Anyway, there might be a train coming back that I could catch before I leave, but I doubt it. Lots more LP product heading south. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. Remember, all month of December, my members will be eligible to win 2 Uperchuk hats. Well, 1 for each of them. 2 lucky members. Will it be you? Have a great day, everybody. I'm heading to Lake Superior in just a few hours.